2-meter or the 440 machine. Please state if you have any traffic to handle.
Hey guys, what's up? It's James Birch here. And today it's a special. We're doing the Western Mass Emergency Net! March 30th. The first time we're doing this live again since December 24th.
Kilo Bravo 1, Alpha Kilo Uniform, Gary in Greenfield. I'm on commercial power. I'm with Western Mass Skywarn and DEC for Franklin and Hampshire County Aries, and I have no traffic. I'm on the 2-meter side. Good morning.
This is November 1 India Victor Tango. Dan in Holyoke, representing Holyoke Racy's officer. On the 2-meter side, commercial power, no traffic. Good morning, easy and net. I need another copy too.
Here is November 1 X-ray Whiskey Sierra. WS, name is Corey. Located in Adams, Mass, running commercial power. I am the DEC for Berkshire County Aries and Skywarn. I am on the 2-meter link. No traffic. Good morning.
The net wishes to recognize the following officials. Kilo Bravo 1, Alpha, Kilo Uniform, Gary in Greenfield. November 1, India, Victor Tango, Dan in Holyoke. And November 1, X-ray, Whiskey Sierra, Corey and Adams. Good morning, gentlemen, and thank you for checking in. This is Whiskey 1, Alpha, Zulu. My name is Easy, and my location is in Holyoke, Mass. I'm on commercial power and affiliated with Western Mass Aries, Skywarn, and Racy's operator for the city of Holyoke. I have one announcement after the net checks in. I am on the 2-meter repeater and your net control station this morning for the Pioneer Valley 2-meter section of the Western Mass Emergency Net. Are there any stations with announcements that need to be made before general check-ins? Please check in with just your call sign now.
This is the W1 Kilo and repeater.
Oh, Charlie 1, Indy Kilo Alpha.
Kilo Charlie 1, India, Kilo Alpha, Smitty, please go with your announcement.
Thank you, Net Control. This is Kilo Charlie 1, Indy Kilo Alpha, Smitty in Westfield. As Easy mentioned earlier, I will be taking measured ice accumulation reports along with your temperature and elevation so I can turn them into Skywarn. And again, measured accumulations, thank you very much. And just give it along at the end of your check-in, and I'll write it down. H1IK, back to Net Control.
Thank you, KC1 IKA Smitty. Are there any questions or comments for KC1 IKA? Please call direct now. Nothing heard. The net will now begin a general roll call. When checking in, Net Control is looking for the following information. Your call sign, using proper phonetics, your name, your location, your power source, any emergency group affiliation, and if you are on the 2-meter or the 440 machine, as well as any Skywarn reports for Smitty. Stations with or without traffic, first letter suffix, Alpha through Delta. Please call now.
Bravo 1, Charlie Papa Zulu, Betty in Long Meadow. I'm in commercial power on the 2-meter side. Good morning, Easy, and good morning to everyone on the net. I have no traffic.
The net wishes to recognize the following station. Kilo Bravo 1, Charlie, Betty in Long Meadow. Good morning, Betty, and thank you for checking in. Station Stations with or without traffic. First letter suffix, echo, through hotel. Please call now. Nothing heard. Stations with or without traffic. First letter suffix, India, through Lima. Please call now.
This is Kilo 1 India, K1II. Name is Charlie, Southwick. Commercial power, 2-meter link, Western Mass Aries, negative traffic, no sky-warn criteria meeting, 35 degrees. Good morning, Easy. Good morning to the net. Here is Kilo Charlie 1, India, Zulu Charlie. Mike from Agawam on the 440. Commercial power. Skywarn and Aries for Western Mass. No Skywarn report. Here is Kilo Charlie 1, India Kilo Alpha. Smitty in Westfield on battery power. Affiliated with Western Mass Aries and Skywarn. No Skywarn report, no traffic. Good morning, Easy. Good morning, the net.
This is Kilo Charlie 1, Kilo Echo Zulu, Steve in Springfield. Battery power this morning. No traffic, no ice accumulation. And good morning, Easy. Good morning to the net. Is Whiskey 1 India Kilo Whiskey, Ian in Southwick. Battery power on the 2-meter side. Aries Western Mass, races officer for the town of Southwick. 35 degrees, light rain, no reportable criteria here. Elevation 410 feet. Here is Kilo Charlie 1, Whiskey Juliet Steve. Stanley and Athol. We got a coating of ice.
The net wishes to recognize the following stations. Kilo 1, India, Charlie from Southwick. Kilo Charlie 1, India, Zulu Charlie, Mike from Agawam. Kilo Charlie 1, India, Kilo Alpha, Smitty from Westfield. Kilo Charlie 1, Kilo Echo Zulu, Steve from Springfield. Whiskey 1, India, Kilo Whiskey, Ian from Southwick, and we have Kilo Charlie 1, Whiskey Juliet, Sierra. Is that Stanley in Athol?
Yes, and I'm on commercial power.
Kilo Charlie 1, Whiskey Juliet, Sierra, Stanley. Welcome aboard. Got you. Thank you for... Good morning, and thank you all for checking in.
Welcome, Stanley, to the West.
Stations with or without traffic. First letter suffix, Mike through Papa. Please call now.
Kilo Bravo 1, November Echo Kilo, Chris in Northampton. Battery power on the UHF side. I'm with Aries and Skywarn, and there's no icing here.
This is Kilo Bravo 1, Papa Kilo India. Ken and Chicopee, commercial power, no icing on the 2 meter.
I am not. Give me another one else.
This is Kilowatt Bravo 1, November Oscar X-ray. Give you one NOX Richard in Westfield. And battery powered on the 440 link. Western Mass Aries and Skywarn. And no precipitation, no ice here in Westfield.
The net wishes to recognize the following stations. Kilo Bravo 1, November, Echo, Kilo, Chris in Northampton. Kilo Bravo 1, Papa, Kilo, India, Ken in Chicopee. And Kilo Bravo 1, November, Oscar, X-ray, Richard in Westfield. Richard, you coming in full inquiring on that 440. Thank you all. Good morning, and thank you all for checking in. Stations with or without traffic. First letter suffix. Quebec through uniform. Please call now.
This is Whiskey Alpha 1, Sierra Juliet Golf, Susan, in East Long Meadow. Commercial power, 2 meters, no traffic, and no Skywarn criteria.
This is the W1 TOM repeater. TL.
This is Kilo Charlie 1 Uniform Hotel India, Lou in Westfield. 2 meter side, commercial power. No traffic this morning, no Skywarn criterion. Good morning to all.
This is Kilo Charlie 1, Tango, Quebec, November. Jim, Town of Brookfield, Mass. We're on commercial power on the 440 link. And we have
Kilo Charlie 1, Tango.
440 side, good morning, Easy, good morning to the net. Easy, good morning to the net.
That's
Commercial power. The net wishes to recognize the following stations. November 1, Yankee, Foxtrot, Golf, Dave and Adams. And Kilo Bravo 1, X-ray, Golf, Al, and East Long Meadow. Good morning, gentlemen, and thank you for checking in. Stations with or without traffic. First letter suffix, Alpha through Zulu. Please call now. Nothing heard. Net Control has one public service announcement. The Mount Tom Amateur Repeater Association repeater system is open to all licensed amateurs to use and enjoy. Please consider supporting the repeater system by becoming an MTARA member. Your membership is very important. It helps keep this repeater system on the air not only for normal amateur radio use, but also for reliable communications during emergency situations and severe weather events. Are there any further check-ins for this net? Stations with or without traffic, first letter suffix, Alpha through Zulu, or late official check-ins, please call now. Nothing heard. Are there any club announcements, upcoming local nets, or any further business for this net before we close?
Charlie 1, Indy Kilo Alpha Smitty with club and net announcements.
This is Whiskey 1 Alpha Gazulu Net Control. Kilo Charlie 1, India, Kilo Alpha Smitty. Please go with your net and club announcements.
Thank you, Net Control. Whiskey 1 Alpha Gazulu Easy. This is Kilo Charlie 1, Indy Kilo Alpha Smitty in Westfield. Starting with club meetings. Club meetings are open to everyone. You don't have to be a member of the club or a licensed ham. Everyone is encouraged to attend to meet new and old faces and enjoy the conversations. Support your local club. It's always a good time. Starting with Mount Tom Amateur Deputy Association meetings, which are the third Friday of the month at 1900 local. Next meeting is Friday, April 18th at the Castle Nights on Memorial Drive in Chicopee. Please don't go to the main entrance for the second set of doorways, the right side of the main entrance. Just look for the MTRA sign. This month's meeting will feature a presentation by Matt Yee, Kilo Charlie 1 Whiskey Juliet X-Ray on Mestastic. Mestastic is a long-range, low-power radio-to-radio communication we've been using in the Valley. And it's very, very inexpensive to get in. You don't need to pay a fee, and you don't need to be licensed. So this could be an interesting meeting. For more information, go to mtara.org or the MTRA Facebook page. And then we have Hampden County Radio Association meetings, which are the first Friday of the month at 1900 local. Next meeting is coming up on Friday, April 4th at the Holyoke Medical Center's Auxiliary Conference Center on Beach Street in Holyoke. Meetings are in person and on Zoom, and attendance by all is always encouraged. This meeting will be all about our April show and tell meeting. Bring whatever radio-related project you've been working on, show it off, and hear what other club members have been doing as well. So again, everyone is welcome. For more information, go to hcra.org for directions on how to get into the meeting. We also have several local 10-meter nets on Mondays and Wednesdays, which are within the technician license privileges. Awesome opportunity that's available in a local area to become radioactive. They're all friendly nets, and all licensed hams are welcome. If you wish to learn or to contribute, come on in and join the fun. Starting off on Monday nights is the HCRA 10-meter net at 1900 local on a frequency of 28.375 megahertz with Whiskey 1 Juliet Zulu Romeo Gary as net control station. For more information, go to hcra.org. Then every Wednesday morning is the Pioneer Valley 10-meter net at 1900 local with the frequency on around 28.354 megahertz with Ralph Whiskey Alpha 1 Uniform Oscar Lima as net control station. And on Wednesday evenings is the Porta 413 Roundtable 10-meter net at 1900 local time with the frequency on around 28.413 megahertz. For additional information, go to Kilo 1 Victor Whiskey Quebec Danny Vierno's QRZ page. And we also have the FCARC Tuesday night Aries Nets at 2000 local, Franklin County Amateur Radio Club on 146.985 megahertz, negative offset with a PL tone of 136.5. All are welcome. And we also have Wednesday MTRA Wednesday night nets with November 1 Foxtrot Delta Charlie Phil in Chicopee. He has 3 nets on this repeater, starting at 1930 local with the MTRA information net. A great opportunity for him to have questions about radio ops equipment or other related questions. Directly after the information net is the swap net, where you can buy, swap, or trade anything ham radio or computer equipment related only, with the caveat of no bargaining in the air. After the swap net is the N1RLX Emergency Simplex net. Check-ins begin on these repeaters. Once everyone is checked in, Phil will move the net to the simplex frequency of 146.550 megahertz, where he will call you up in the order you checked in to exchange signal reports. This is a great opportunity to test your radio equipment and antenna reception with others on the net. For more information on any of those 3 nets, go to mtara.org. And that's it for me, KC1IK, back to net control.
Thank you, KC1IKA Smitty. Are there any questions or comments for KC1IKA Smitty? Please call direct now.
This is the W1TOM repeater.
Nothing heard. Are there any further check-ins for this net before we close? Stations with or without traffic, first letter suffix, Alpha through Zulu. Please call now. Nothing heard. With that, this closes the Pioneer Valley 2-meter section of the Western Mass Emergency